Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to talk about two products of Pilgrim, that is Pilgrim hair mask. Another one is hair growth serum. These both products are very effective, especially in this monsoon season. Monsoon season में क्या होता है, हमारा hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा start हो जाता है, breakouts होते हैं. These both things you definitely need. First of all, I'll be leaving the link of these products in the description box. And in this video, we are going to talk about these two products, and I will be also showing you the demo how to use them. Without wasting any more time, let's start with the hair mask first. Hair mask apply करने से पहले make sure आपका जो hair है वो clean हो. Your scalp is clean. एक दिन पहले भी अगर आपने hair wash किया and your scalp is clean, great. So after that you're supposed to apply this scalp from your roots till the tip, and you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and just rinse it with the water.
Okay, so let's start with the demo part. So मेरी scalp clean नहीं थी, so I've gone for the hair wash first, and now I'm going to apply the hair mask of Pilgrim, and let's talk about the benefits of this mask. इस हेयर मास्क के अंदर है दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स, दैट इज़ वाइट लोटस एंड केमेलिया, जो आपके हेयर फॉलिकल्स को स्टिमुलेट करता है, ट्रीट करता है ड्राई, डैमेज एंड फिजी हेयर, आपके हेयर फॉल को रिड्यूस करता है एंड प्रमोट करता है हेयर ग्रोथ. इट ऑल्सो एनहांसेस द वॉल्यूम एंड गिव्स यू अ शाइनर एंड सॉफ्टर हेयर. Just keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with water. I could feel the difference. मेरे hair ज़्यादा softer और shinier लग रहे थे. Now let's move on to the second step, that is hair growth serum. So first let's do its patch test, and after that I'll directly apply this serum to my scalp. और scalp पे apply करने के बाद I will give them a perfect massage. Now let's talk about the benefits of this hair serum. It has two ingredients, Redensyl 3% and Anagain 4%. Redensyl works upon your hair follicles और introduce करता है new hair growth. ये आपके हेयर को स्ट्रेंथन करता है और प्रोटेक्शन देता है फ्रॉम हेयर ब्रेकेज, एंड ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज द डेंसिटी एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ योर हेयर. बहुत लाइट वेट लीव ऑन ट्रीटमेंट है, आपकी स्कैल्प के अंदर बहुत ईजिली ऑब्जर्व हो जाता है और आपको इमीडिएट सूदिंग इफेक्ट देता है.
Okay, so I hope you got an idea how to use these products and how much effective these are. You can see it from its first use itself. If you have any doubts about these products, let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Bye.